clean my fridge today. Cleaning my rep. Walang laman. Sabi mo dumi. I just cleaned my fridge today because when I open the fridge I can smell something, so when I find out it's got rotten tomato, so might as well clean the whole lot. Sunday cleaning anyway. I love it. Yeah. Scrub. Oh my god. Yeah, clean the corner. Clean. Cleaning is not fun. It's only 2 of us in the house, but I always keep the house clean because I cannot stand messy place. Yeah, it's empty. I have to give a good clean. This one. Yeah. Every time I look my face the camera, I get scared. I can see my very fat face. Very fat face. I'm looking at my CCTV. Yeah, clean, Tita Becca. Don't forget to clean the corners. Scrub. Yeah. Yeah, it's nothing to do. It's raining today, so I have to clean. I have to do something, you know. Give myself an exercise. Yes. Oh, I got only 2 eggs. We're going to the shop tomorrow and get some more. And to the, yeah, we're going to the veggie garden. Oh, veggie shop. Got only 2 eggs. God, it's so dirty, huh? Because I didn't even clean for maybe 2 weeks. Yeah. Look at my face. Oh my god.
Check is still okay.
That's expired.
Oh, expired. See, never been used.
We forgot to eat
It's
it.
gonna go in the bin.
the noise you can hear is the timer of the fridge because I leave the door open. Now I put everything in the container. And I'm gonna arrange my fridge nice now. So this is cleaning. So it's all out. What's on the fridge? Then I have to put it back on. I have to shut it. I cannot leave it open. I have to go out because I have to chase the cat outside. They start digging my garden in this weather. So I have otherwise to do something in my garden. The radish is nice and very healthy at the moment. I have to chase the cat. Ah, stupid cat. Go away, cat. You're gone. But I check my garden. They dig. They dig in this rainy weather. Put all the veggies in the container, then put in the fridge so that it stay fresh all the time. Kiwi fruit. Put in the container like this, stay fresh. Have to air out. Yeah, if you leave the vegetables and the fruits in the container and then you put it in your refrigerator, it stay fresh and it stay longer. Through my experience, it's work. Cleaning my fridge. It's Sunday cleaning day. Look guys, this one is nearly 3 weeks already. It's in the container and it's still fresh. Look, you have to put in the container so stay fresh all the time. No. Yeah, the reason I was cleaning my fridge, when I was opening this morning, I can smell something, and then when I find out it's a rotten tomato, so might as well clean the whole lot, clean the whole area, clean the corner of my fridge.
may calamansi. May tomato. Have to put the container. Alright. Now, have to choose the rotten and sort these things out. Set the fridge first. No. Look at the tomato, darling. No. Have to put in the, I have to put in the container. Oh, we just only get tomato only if you need it, yeah. Now I'm gonna choose my which one is good. Which one is good?
A few moments later.
Yeah, I have to turn off my camera because my husband is vacuuming the floor. It's very noisy. Now I'm putting my calamansi to the container and put it back on my fridge. Calamansi. Calamansi. Now stick it a little bit here. I'm gonna eat this later. Darling, you want oi, dear. It's very sweet. Nectarine, white flesh. I put in the fridge. That is our midnight snack. More calamansi.
my fridge is nice and clean. Well, if by myself, it takes me a year. But if for you, maybe it takes only 2 days. Now, just checking this, if this one is still good. Because it's sitting here for ages. Like this one. This one is, that is expired.
Shout out to all of my viewers. See, even I'm cleaning the fridge. I'm thinking all of you.
Yeah. Where's my spray?
Hello, Renz. Come and help Lola cleaning the fridge. Look. Lola is cleaning, darling.
Look very nice. I close it first. And then I will sort this one out. This one is Nine of March. 9 of March. Oh my God. This one is no expiration, so it's still okay. That one. This one is empty. This one is okay. This one is it's no expiration. 2022 is still okay. This one is very nice steak sauce. And this one is November. This one is okay. And this one is where's the expiration of this one? It's no expiration. Ade. It's on 30th of August. Oh, it's still new. No one used it. Might use this one. This one is August. Mint sauce. That one is alright. It's alright. Steak sauce. Inspiration. Nothing. This one is okay. This one is December. Still okay. No. Put it in the fridge. Have a drink first. Cranberry juice. Ah. Got no egg? Go get my egg tomorrow, darling.
I was in Coles yesterday and all they had was the expensive rearrangement. There was nothing else there.
Yeah, okay, we have a look tomorrow.
I wasn't paying $6 for it.
Oh, when we go to resell, we might get one. We might go visit tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah?
We can't go Tuesday, so it'll be tomorrow.
Okay, we visit and then we might get some eggs there, huh? Okay. So the fridge is very clean, my darling.
Alright.
Don't mess it up. Have a look on the other side. The freezer. Oh no. This one's gonna be telling me 3 days to clean up. So I'm gonna leave it this time. Hopia. I'm gonna make it hopia. And the other freezer, I'm gonna check the other freezer. The other freezer. Oh my goodness. No. This one takes me 3 days to do it. I just gonna clean the inside. That's it. That's it. I done for today, cleaning the fridge. Then it's gonna go in the bin. Right. Now, clean all my mess. Nice too. When you open the fridge, it's nice, darling. Very nice. Very clean. Okay. Gonna pop my okay. Okay.
Then I'm gonna clean my mess, the rotten that I get on my fridge. Show you guys.